This presentation is a course overview of Math 139-1, Solid Mensuration. Solid mensuration covers topics such as mensuration of the area and perimeter of plane figures, and mensuration of the volume and surface area of some solid figures. Now, Math 139-1 is a 2-unit course. So there will only be 2 modules in this course. We have Module 1 that is entitled Mensuration of Plane Figures. That would be from week 1 to week 6. And then Module 2, Mensuration of Solid Figures, will start from week 7 and then will end at week 11. For the module grade components, in Module 1, there will be 3 requirements. The practice set, which is 30%, the project 30%, and then long quiz is 40%. The project is all about applications of plane geometry. So the project can be assigned to groups with 4 to 5 members at the beginning of the perimeter and area topics. It will be due by the end of week 5. For Module 2, same requirements, but this time the project is a research project on some selected topics in geometry. This project can also be assigned to groups with 4 to 5 members at the beginning of Module 2. For the project guideline in project number 1, or in the project in Module 1, this will be the suggested project. Students will design a room to remodel. They will give the dimensions of the room. The students will calculate the cost for the remodel based on the price of materials for paint, wallpaper, carpet, tiling, etc. The teacher may assign another similar project, or a project similar to the suggested one. And then for the requirements, the group should submit a documentation that will describe the project, maybe 1 to 2 pages. In particular, it should include the following: title of the project, project description, mathematical concepts covered in the project, procedure, execution, computations, the task of the members. And then they will be asked to create a video presentation of their project, maximum of 3 minutes. And then for the Module 2 project, a research paper, they can submit a research paper that will explore an area of geometry that goes beyond the topics covered in Math 139-1 class. The students can choose among the following topics: conic sections, properties and applications, dissecting geometry figures. Figures can sometimes be dissected and rearranged to form other figures. Also, some figures can be dissected into congruent parts, sometimes even congruent to the original figure. And then we have the Euler's formula that relates the number of vertices, edges, and faces of a polyhedron. So there is a separate topic discussed in our textbook about polyhedron. And then we have the geometry in African art in India, Japan, etc. So you can choose only one country. Geometry in architecture, geometry of crystals, the math of symmetry and beauty. So for the requirements, the students will be asked to submit a document that will describe the project, maximum of 10 pages only. In particular, specify the following: the title of the project, task of the members, project description, at least 1 paragraph, project limitations, mathematical concepts covered in the project, detailed discussion, references. And then also they will be asked to submit a, a maximum of 3 minutes video presentation of their project. The guided notes may be assigned to students who may choose to attend asynchronous during try-X mode. They can be submitted in digital or written notebook depending on the teacher assigned. So that may include concepts that are highlighted in the discussions. Should contain also a checklist of the definitions and formulas discussed. So this is optional to the teachers handling the course, so they may assign another similar activity. For the official textbook, we'll be using Engineering Drawing and Design, Solid Mensuration Understanding the 3D Space, second edition by Richard Earnhardt. This is available at the Mapua bookstore. And take note that all written exams are open book. So you may bring your physical book during long exams.